What's up guys? So today we're gonna be fixing a problem on this Jeep, and this is a problem that every single Jeep has. At the back, you open up your tailgate. Normally you have a tire there, but you go to open this up, you're gonna throw something in there, and it falls down. Almost every time. You know, if you hold it up and you get it just right, it might stay there. But it's not gonna be very far open. They always do it, no matter what. These struts just end up going bad, and it's just kind of inconvenient. It's super hard to load stuff up. I mean, unless you're just putting stuff right back here, it's super annoying. Also, if for any reason you needed to drive with this up to, I don't know, maybe have something sticking out the back or whatever it was, it's super annoying because this won't stay up. And they're supposed to open up really far too, so it gives you plenty of room to get stuff back there. So yeah, it's just super frustrating and annoying. We're gonna be changing that up today so that it finally works. So I ordered these new struts in the mail. I don't remember if I got them off eBay or if I got them off Amazon, but whatever it is, I'll go ahead and link it in the description. But it was like 14 bucks, I think, with shipping and everything, so super cheap. It's just gonna help it be more practical. I really get annoyed when this window won't stay up and I'm trying to put something in the back or, you know, have someone else hold the window. It's really frustrating. I'm finally gonna get this taken care of. I'll bring you guys along and show you how to do it. First thing you need to do is open up the package. Wow. So the packaging on these is actually super nice. It came with these protective bubbles on both ends. As you guys can see right here, it just has a little clip. This whole thing swivels and the ball just goes inside there. First thing I'm gonna do, just because this is so stinking annoying, I'm gonna lift it up and I'm gonna use a jack just to hold up the window. That way I don't have to worry about it falling down or anything. It's just gonna, the jack handle is just gonna hold it. These ones are just a little bit different, but you pop open this. It is kinda hard to do with one hand, but that just pops open. You can do the same thing up on the top. You take your flat bladed screwdriver, wedge it in between where it mounts, and you just kind of twist it, and then it pops off. We're gonna come up here, do the exact same thing to the top. Just set your screwdriver in between the mount and pop, falls right off. So as you guys can see, this is just a ball on the end, top and bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and slap this on. I guess I should have explained, you probably wanna check to make sure they're at least about the same size. This new one is obviously gonna be fully extended. So it's like if the window was going up even further than that. This is the side that I'm starting with. This is the barrel side. Just cause it's a little bit more narrow than the other side, I'm putting that facing down. That's also how they had it before. So all you have to do is put this over the ball and then go ahead and push. And it takes a good amount of force to get it to click on there, but now it's super solid and it's on there. And then I'm doing the top. I gotta use two hands for this, so I'm having my dad as the cameraman. But again, you just take that, twist it, and then you just push really hard on it until it clicks. That one actually went a lot easier, but now the whole thing is being held up by this strut. The other strut's not doing like anything. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Should be a lot easier now that I don't have to use anything else to hold it open. But I'm just gonna pop this one off and slap it on. Now they're both installed and it goes up just perfectly. It's actually a little bit hard to push down, but it's a lot better than having it not work at all. So it opens up completely. It's completely out of the way, which is awesome. Now you can get into the back and do whatever you need to do. Super simple. I'm really glad that I did it. It was only like 14 bucks. So definitely recommended. It's super simple. Literally takes like 10-15 minutes. thank you guys for watching. That was a lot easier of an install than I thought, and for 14 bucks it makes a world of a difference. Like I said, I linked that down below just so you guys can go ahead and buy it. I mean, it's 14 bucks. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.